Hey everybody, my name is Lucy Karen Clay and I am a life advocate. I am coming to you today on Yom Kippur about a very serious issue related to the sanctity of life. This is an alert regarding a Senate bill that is taking place at the federal level right now. This is legislation that is in the hands of 23 senators. A link will be provided to you in this email, which explains everything. It looks innocent, which many times things do. As you know, the angel comes in as a light. The enemy comes in as an angel of light sometimes. And so I want you to ask the Lord what you need to do to respond, because your voice is needed to act now. This vote could take place any day. Interesting that this is taking place right now at Yom Kippur during the fall feasts. And so Deuteronomy 30:19 talks about choosing life or death. And one of the reasons that I am involved, and you can look at what my shirt says, you may have heard about this book. It's called Betrothed, Committed to Love, Light, and Life. It explains everything that is going on here, because God has chosen to use the life and the death of a Jewish follower of Messiah to call attention to the sanctity of life by stealth euthanasia. I have that story, and I lived that story. Premature deaths are taking place already all over the country, but your voice can help to stop this. So, if you would like to help to restore the culture of life, again, this is Senate Bill 693. All you need to do is click on the link. Letters are even provided that can help you to write yours, or just to email or call in. And again, I ask that you pray and ask the Lord what you can do. Thank you so much. Blessings, love, and life.